little scared myself.
Yeah,
is that a road runner?
It's just like that. Yeah.
Do you want to see the burrows? She's coming, Mom. You ready, my princess? Okay. Whee! Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This week is gonna be a little bit different because I'm going to my parents' house and I never vlog it. So I thought finally I would take you guys on a little road trip, kind of give you the deets on what it's like to travel with a toddler, my tips and tricks, favorite products, and then just hang with us on a little vacay. My family at like the beginning of, I think it was like February 2020, moved closer to me. So they're like 2-hour drive and they have like a little farm with some animals living their best life, drinking wine. And so I like to go there whenever I can and pretend I'm retired and I just have to hang out with animals and like make our own bread and pasta and eat really good food. You're also about to see me struggle carrying 2 backpacks, a suitcase, and a toddler down in my car, but that's what we do. Okay, she's tired. Let's start wrapping things up. I can't forget my vitamins. These are Nourish by Nature Made. They come in this cute little packet. They are today's sponsor. So thank you, Nature Made, for sponsoring today's video. I've been using Nature Made since, I wanna say I was in high school. It was actually the vitamins my dad used. They have been around forever, but Nourish by Nature Made is new. It is a cute way to get personalized, little individualized vitamin packs. I'm gonna be gone for 3 days so I can just tear off. Ooh, here you go. As you can see, they are personalized for me. They say my name on them. These are the vitamins. I'll have a link down below, but you just take a quiz and then they will, whatever you need in your life to support a balanced and healthy lifestyle, they got your back. I just love that they're so easy to take on the go, and I feel like I live so much of my life scattered that I can just grab one of these, throw them in my purse. They also gave us an exclusive promo, which I will have down below, for 30% off your first order. So before my life gets any more hectic, I'm gonna take these really quickly. Yes, I can take all those vitamins at once. Is anyone else with me? Let's get going. Let's get this struggle on the road. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Look. I know. Here. I'll give you your water. Come on. You have a clean diaper. I can get your bun. You want your bun? You want your bun? You got your water. Yeah. That's cockroach. Oh my God. There's like a cockroach and a car alarm. I hate LA. Are you ready to go see Grandma and Grandpa? We're here. Hi. I'm surprised you weren't tracking us.
I was. I just went in the other room and I misplaced my phone, and so I was. But I've been tracking worse.
No matter how much I plan, I always forget something, and I realized already I forgot hats, which I need to protect my face because I had a facial like 2 days ago and now my skin's peeling and I just can't have any sun on it, and Arrow shoes because how is she gonna walk on this ground without shoes? Now we have to go buy these things.
What a nice book you have there. Grammy Graham. Should have got basil in that and onions and stuff. I could have really made it even extra good. Are you just the cutest baby ever? Yeah? A few new toys, we can play with those later. Yeah. You like those, don't you? Good job.
Team is ready. Do you have her? You have the door. No cats are getting out. We're going a little bit out of the way because there's nothing around where we are. So we're going to a town called Solvang, and it's very Danish.
Those ones run a little big, so let me get you the three.
Those are better.
Do you think those are better?
Yes, she's walking better.
Do we like the hot pink or do we like the lavender?
And you guys wanted the Uggs, right?
Yeah.
Mom, look. Mom. Mom.
What did you find?
Take two.
Ooh, I think I want something here. Okay.
I think Daryl wants some. Yummy.
She's like kissing it. Hold on, I think we have to put this on.
Yeah. You like that toy? Yeah. You're welcome.
Can you help me and close the door, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Woo! Okay, we gotta go feed the animals. They look so nice. They do look bigger.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at the big piggy.
Look at the pig.
Yeah.
Is it okay if she puts her fingers like this?
Yeah, pig is not. She's interested in the food.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Wow.
She's like a big doggy. I'm thinking she could pick this. Can you pick that?
You want to pick a tomato?
Yeah, just pick, pull, go, and put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Yay! Look at all these tomatoes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now she likes it.
Yeah. One scallion can feed the entire family.
You know your rice is still on the heat?
Hey, turn it off.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Yeah, she is. Come on. Okay, okay, okay.
All the time. It's just like a yeah.
Thank you. Do you want anything else? Yummy.
Look at the little baby. Look at this baby.
Mom, I'm a little scared myself. What the heck? Why are there so many different types?
That turkey keeps following you.
I know, I don't know.
It's not going to hurt you. It's just an old turkey.
I'm gonna pet the kitty. You gotta pet the kitty. It's the kitty, not a doggy, but close. Okay, let's be careful. Hey, so I feel like we haven't talked at all really in this vlog. It's kind of just been like a fly on the wall type vlog. Definitely have been watching some of Melania's videos. She does like, they're not called no filter. What are they called? I don't remember at this moment. I just know they're very much this vibe of kind of like fly on the wall, not a lot of this kind of talking. I feel like Arrow's going somewhere. You have a nice little shard. You're going to shank me? What are you doing?
Yeah, he's such a nice boy. He's like a doggy. He's a big doggy.
She is the most dirty I have ever seen her.
Come in here. You coming in here? Come on. I'm just picking some basil for the salad.
She's coming, Mom. Wanna hold Mommy's hand? No? Duh. And you get some buttered potato, some halibut.
Your avocado in a minute, okay? Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Going for the jam.
I think she's going for the jam.
For the jam, yeah.
Yeah.
And jam.
Yeah, I'm the one speaking for most of this meeting, so. Yeah.
Good luck. Do you think you should put our flowers in a vase? What do you think? You want to help Mommy pick out the vase? Ooh, we have vases down here, and we have that vase, but that probably won't fit. I think Mommy has a nice pink vase. Whoa, should we do this one? This one's pretty, huh? Let's do this one. Do you think we should do that one? And here we go. I am back home. My car is officially a mess. Arrow is with her father, so I thought I would do a little check-in because I remember at the beginning of the vlog I was going to tell you guys what products or items I loved for the car now that I'm a driver, or just like a road trip in general with a baby. The first thing is probably going to be a controversial thing because I can see how it could impede your driving awareness, but as you can see, my windows are not tinted at all. My car is leased, and so I don't know if that is an option. What I did instead is I got these little sticky window things that you literally just apply on. There's no glue or like tape, or I honestly don't even know how it sticks, but it does, and they're really cheap from Amazon. They take 1 second to do. You just put it on. My daughter does not sleep in this bright car. Unfortunately, I figured that out the hard way, and so it is a must that we have the window shade. I do feel like I can see out of it. It is a little see-through, but I could see how it could impede your driving. So this is the one thing, if anyone else has something they like better that's safer or just a different option, please let me know. But for right now, for how effective it is, the cost of it, how easy it is to apply, it is a game changer. It is the only way my daughter sleeps in the car, which is necessary for a 3-hour drive. Okay, another must-have. And I know not every baby uses, oh. Hi.
Hi. Malaysia?
No.
Oh.
My name's Brittany.
Oh, I'm sorry, Brittany.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Okay, anyone know who Malaysia is? Because there's an entire film crew right now looking. I swear it's not me, dude. He's looking at me like I'm Malaysia. Oh my God, it's hot. Do I leave? Number 2 must-have, and I know not every baby uses a passy, but this is one of the things we implemented into our nap routine, so I need it for the car. If I do not have this, I will die. It is a passy clip. I clip it right on either to Arrow after I put her in the car seat, or sometimes I attach it to the strap of the car seat. I don't know if one is the right way or the other. They both work. Next is emergency snacks. These are just peanut butter puffs from Whole Foods, but these are Bombas. I would suggest Bombas, like these little pop tops from OXO. Again, you can get them from Amazon. I just keep this in the car, and sometimes you just need an emergency puff. Okay, now I get to mukbang with myself. Did you get a good view of this? Look at this. Oh my God, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna edit this. It's editing me. I almost forgot to say thank you again to Nourish by Nature Made for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you take the quiz. Don't forget to use my promo for 30% off your first order. And I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!